Want to keep your legs strong even at 90? Eat this daily. Your legs may already be losing strength, and you might not notice it yet. One day, getting up from a chair feels slightly tougher. A few months later, stairs start to feel exhausting. Soon, even short walks seem tiring. This isn't just aging, it's muscle loss. Slow, silent, and often ignored. Here's the surprising reality. Your legs are the first to lose strength as you age. When that happens, your balance declines, your independence slips away, and the chance of falling increases. But there's good news. You can still restore your leg strength. You can even begin right from your kitchen table. While exercise plays a key role, your diet can be just as influential, and sometimes even more so. In this video, we'll reveal 6 incredible foods that help rebuild muscle strength, support bone health, and keep your legs firm and stable as you age. Stay tuned until the end. The top food on this list is one many older adults already have at home, but few know how to use correctly. Before we get started, share your age and where you're watching from. It's always great to see where our senior health community is joining us from. Now, let's get into it. Here are 6 research-supported foods that can help your legs stay strong, flexible, and full of energy. Starting with number 6, sweet potatoes. The fuel that keeps your legs going when it comes to maintaining leg strength and stability. Having enough energy makes all the difference. Not all sources of energy are the same. Some foods give you a quick spike, only to leave you drained soon after. Sweet potatoes, however, provide steady energy that keeps your muscles fueled for hours, helping you stay active, climb stairs, and stand strong. As we get older, our muscles become less efficient at storing and using energy. That's why everyday activities like carrying groceries or walking uphill begin to feel more difficult. Sweet potatoes naturally help counter this. Rich in complex carbohydrates, they offer consistent energy without sudden blood sugar highs or lows. Their vibrant orange flesh is loaded with vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory nutrients that help repair tiny muscle tears, reduce cramps, and keep your movements fluid. Vitamin A supports faster recovery and helps reduce soreness, while potassium keeps muscle contractions steady and tissues well hydrated. Long-term inflammation is another silent cause of weakness, gradually breaking down muscle fibers. The beta-carotene found in sweet potatoes helps combat this damage at the cellular level, keeping your legs supple and free from discomfort. Your gut health matters too. The natural fiber in sweet potatoes aids digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients, making sure your muscles get the energy they require. You can roast, mash, or mix them into soups and salads. Their mild sweetness complements nearly any dish, and each serving helps your legs stay strong and steady with every step. Number 5, oats, the stamina booster for weary legs. Many see oats as just a simple breakfast, but for older adults, they're among the best foods for leg stamina and lasting energy. If your legs start to feel weak halfway through the day or heavy when going upstairs, oats can make a real difference. As we get older, our muscles lose endurance because the body struggles to maintain steady blood sugar and energy levels. Oats supply slow digesting carbohydrates that deliver steady energy to your muscles for hours. No sudden drops or afternoon fatigue, just consistent strength for walking, gardening, and staying active. But oats don't just power your muscles, they help restore them. Every serving provides plant-based protein that supports the repair and maintenance of muscle fibers that gradually weaken with age. This leads to improved balance, stronger legs, and greater stability. Oats are also high in iron and magnesium, nutrients that many older adults are often low in. Iron helps carry oxygen to your muscles, while magnesium relaxes them, reducing cramps, stiffness, and that heavy, tight feeling in your legs. If you've ever experienced sudden night cramps, the magnesium in oats can help prevent them naturally. Oats even support circulation by keeping blood vessels open and flexible, ensuring your muscles get oxygen and nutrients for faster recovery. Enjoy them warm in the morning, blended into smoothies, or baked into healthy snacks. However you choose to eat them, oats quietly power your muscles, helping your legs stay strong, steady, and ready for every step. Number 4, avocados, the flexibility and cramp-fighting superfood. Avocados aren't just a trendy food for seniors, they're one of the best ways to keep your legs strong, flexible, and pain-free. As we age, stiffness often creeps in, that dull ache when getting out of bed or tightness after sitting too long. Much of this comes from inflammation, which slowly wears down muscles and joints. Avocados fight that naturally They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats that calm inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and keep joints supple. That means less stiffness, less soreness, and more freedom to move with confidence. Even better, avocados are packed with potassium, a mineral your muscles depend on to contract properly. They actually contain more potassium than bananas, helping prevent cramps, spasms, and nighttime leg tightness. If you've ever woken up with a painful calf cramp, low potassium may be to blame. Avocados also deliver vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that repairs tiny stress points in your muscles, easing fatigue and keeping them strong. Plus, their healthy fats support circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach your legs so they stay energized. Add avocado to toast, blend it into smoothies, mash it into guacamole, or eat it plain with salt and pepper. The secret is consistency. Make it part of your weekly routine, and you'll feel the difference. Smoother movement, fewer cramps, and legs that stay flexible and alive for years to come. Number 3, berries, the muscle protector and anti-aging powerhouse. Aging is inevitable, but losing strength isn't. Every day your muscles face invisible enemies like free radicals, oxidative stress, and inflammation. You might not see them, but you feel them. Stiff knees, sore legs after light activity, or lingering fatigue. That's where berries come in. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are among nature's most powerful defenders. Full of antioxidants, they help protect muscles from oxidative damage and support faster recovery. Regular consumption strengthens muscle resilience. Berries also combat chronic inflammation, the hidden cause of stiff joints and sore legs, helping you move with greater ease and comfort. Their high vitamin C content boosts collagen production, keeping your muscles, tendons, and joints firm, flexible, and youthful. And they don't just protect, they energize. Berries support healthy circulation, improving oxygen delivery to your leg muscles so you feel less tired and recover faster. As a bonus, the same antioxidants that protect your muscles also sharpen your memory and focus, keeping your mind as active as your body. Add a handful to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, or enjoy them fresh. With every bite, you're fueling strength, flexibility, and vitality from the inside out. Sweet, simple, and powerful. Berries truly are food for your body and brain. Before we continue with our final 2 on the list, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please give it a like and subscribe to Senior Vital Health for more life-changing tips that help you stay strong and active. After 60, how's your health been lately? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you'd like to support our mission, click the Super Thanks button to send a small token. Every bit truly helps. Number 2, salmon, the muscle rebuilder and circulation booster. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your leg muscles quietly carry your entire body weight. But with age, your body's ability to rebuild muscle slows down, which is why your legs may start to feel weaker or more tired than they used to. This is where salmon shines, a top food for restoring strength. It's rich in high-quality protein, providing your muscles with the building blocks they need to repair and stay strong. The true powerhouse, however, is its omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that fight inflammation, boost circulation, and shield your joints from pain and stiffness. Inflammation is a major cause of weakness and slow recovery in older adults. Omega-3s calm that process, helping your legs move more freely and comfortably. They also boost circulation, keeping your blood vessels flexible so oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently, meaning more energy, less heaviness, and faster recovery. Salmon also supports nerve health, keeping your movements steady and precise, while its B vitamins, particularly B12, help turn food into lasting energy. Combined, they enhance endurance, strength, and coordination. You don't need to eat salmon daily. 2 to 3 servings a week are enough to see benefits. Grilled, baked, or even canned with olive oil and lemon, each serving helps rebuild and restore your legs from within. Number 1, eggs, the ultimate strength builder. If you ask doctors or nutritionists which food best rebuilds strength after 60, most will say the same thing. Eggs, small, simple, and affordable. Each one holds a complete package of nutrients your muscles depend on to stay strong and steady. As we age, we lose muscle faster than we rebuild it, a process called sarcopenia. You might feel it as slower movement or weaker legs. Eggs fight that by providing high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, which supports not only bone health, but also muscle strength and coordination. Low vitamin D is common in seniors and can cause fatigue, weakness, and balance problems, and just 1 or 2 eggs a day can help restore it naturally. Inside each yolk, you'll also find choline, a nutrient that keeps your nerves and muscles communicating smoothly. That means quicker reactions, steadier steps, and better control. Plus, eggs are rich in B vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats, all helping protect muscle cells and sustain energy throughout the day. You don't need many. 1 or 2 eggs daily is enough. Scramble, boil, or mix them with veggies for variety. The secret is consistency. Making eggs part of your routine can help you stay balanced, confident, and strong for years to come. Because sometimes the simplest foods truly build the strongest foundations. Now, many of you ask, do I need to eat all 6 of these foods every single day? Not necessarily. You can mix and match them throughout the week. What matters most is consistency, making these foods a regular part of your routine. Even a few servings of each across the week can make a noticeable difference in your leg strength and energy. When's the best time to eat them? Morning is ideal. Starting your day with nutrient-rich foods gives your muscles lasting fuel and helps stabilize energy levels. But if you prefer them later in the day, say for lunch or dinner, that's perfectly fine too. Your body benefits whenever you nourish it. Can I eat them all together? Absolutely. Many of these foods complement each other beautifully. For example, oats with berries or salmon with avocado. The nutrients actually work better when combined, something nutrition experts call food synergy. And one more question we hear often, do I need exercise for results? Light movement helps these nutrients work faster. Even simple leg stretches, short walks, or chair exercises will speed up your progress. Remember, nutrition fuels your body, but movement activates it. Together, they rebuild your legs from the inside out, helping you stay strong, stable, and independent for years to come. Now that we've uncovered all 6 powerful foods, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Sweet potatoes give your muscles lasting energy and support faster recovery. Oats supply consistent strength, keeping muscles energized and minimizing cramps. Avocados fight inflammation, enhance flexibility, and guard against stiffness. Berries help repair muscle tissue and protect joints with their powerful antioxidants. Salmon helps repair muscle tissue, boosts circulation, and replenishes energy from within. Lastly, eggs, a complete source of strength, provide all the nutrients your legs need to remain strong, stable, and responsive. Combined, these 6 foods create a natural shield against the muscle loss and weakness that often accompany aging. Including 1 or more of these foods in your meals moves you closer to stronger legs, improved balance, and more independence. If you felt tired climbing stairs, experienced heaviness while walking, or noticed stiffness in your legs, it's not too late to make a change. Your body responds to the fuel you provide it. Begin today, and in just a few weeks you may notice a difference. Lighter steps, steadier balance, and greater confidence in every movement. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for personalized medical advice. Always check with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet, especially if you have chronic conditions, take medication, or are recovering from an injury. Your safety comes first. Use this information as guidance, not a prescription. Keep in mind your legs are the foundation of your mobility. Strong legs mean staying independent, active, and in control of your life. Even small, consistent adjustments to your diet can make a big difference in how you feel each day. Begin with one simple change this week. Perhaps include sweet potatoes at dinner or add berries to your morning meal. Every bite you take is a step toward greater strength and independence. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Senior Vital Health for more tips on staying active and healthy after 60. To support our work, click the Super Thanks button below. Your generosity allows us to continue making valuable content for you. I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 foods are already part of your diet, and which one will you add to your meals this week? Share your thoughts in the comments. Your experience could motivate someone else to begin their path to stronger legs. Keep moving, stay healthy, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to a longer, more active life.